Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating straight to Lock Screen or Wallpaper. This is where options live. You want to pick a preset or hit Add New to create a custom lock screen now. Make sure your device is unlocked, and if you use Cloud Sync, that backup is enabled so edits persist. Once done choosing Add New, you'll be prompted to select an image or style. Pick purposefully because that selection drives widgets, font, and depth effects. Now you customize the look. Choose photo, collections, or color and refine crop, perspective, or depth for visual clarity. You'll tap the widgets area to add, remove, or reorder practical items, calendar, battery, or shortcuts, balancing info density and legibility. Then tap the clock to set font, size, and color. Contrast matters for quick glances. Once you've adjusted these elements, preview lock and home alignment so text doesn't overlap important photo areas and so interaction stays intuitive. Finish by saving your new lock screen and choosing whether it becomes default or links to a focus mode. You can also configure always-on display options if supported. Lock the device to test notifications, widget taps, and how the clock reads against your background. Make sure shortcuts respond. If edits don't apply, restart the device and check for software updates. If that fails, toggle Cloud Sync off and on to force a refresh. That usually resolves stubborn sync or display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.